Exercise number 15.3. Take pi is equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. Number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Okay. What they have given? They have given a sphere. This is the spherical shaped solid with the radius. What is the radius of the solid? 4.2 centimeter. Radius of what? Sphere is equal to. Then they have melted. That means volume remains same and recasted. Melted and recasted into what? Into the shape of cylinder. The shape of cylinder, and the radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. Radius r is equal to 6 centimeter. Let us consider r1 and r2. Then we need to find out the height of the cylinder as h is equal to question mark. Correct? Here we know that what we know? Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Yes or no? After melting, the volume remains same. Volume of sphere formula 4/3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Okay, sphere r1, this is r2. We need to find out the value of h. Yes or no? Value of h into pi, it will become divided by, into r2 square, it will become divided by r2 square. Therefore h is equal to 4 divided by 3 pi r1 cube divided by pi r2 square. Pi cancel. Therefore h is equal to 4 divided by 3 into r1 cube, that is 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by, what is r2 here? 6 square. That means 6 into 6. Coach. Next 6 ones are 6 sevens are 42 point on the udri 0. Okay, 6 ones are 6 sevens are 42 point udri 0. Okay, 3 ones are 3 14s are 42. Correct? 14 threes are 42 1 point. H is equal to 14 fours are 56 1 point into 7 sevens are 49 1 bit point 2 bit point 0. This is h is equal to 49 is nearly 50. Yes or no? 56 are 300, 6 minus, that means 294 29. Correct? 55 are 250, 5 minus 245, 265, 274. 1 bit point, 2 bit point, 3 bit point. Okay, centimeter. Therefore the height of the cylinder is 2.744 centimeter is the answer. Second question. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. There are how many spheres? 3. Number 1, number 2, number 3. 3 are melted. Yes or no? Melted and recasted into the shape of bigger sphere. Correct? What is the radius of first sphere? 6 centimeter. Second sphere 8 centimeter. Third sphere 10 centimeter. Then what we need to find out? The radius of resulting sphere. R is equal to question mark. After melting, after recasting, what is the radius? ये तीनों मिला को मेल्ट करें. मेल्ट करके क्या करें बाबा? एक बड़ा रेडियस, बड़ा स्फीयर करें. उसका रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना हमें. Okay, we know that. What we know? Volume of all three is equal to volume of single. Yes or no? Volume of three spheres is equal to volume of resulting bigger sphere. Yes or no? Resulting bigger sphere. What is the volume of 3 spheres? 4 divided by 3 pi r1 cube. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi r3 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What we need to find out? R value. Yes or no? Okay, division 3 it will become multiplication. Multiplication for division. Multiplication pi division. What is the common here? 4 divided by 3 is the common. Sorry, pi is also common. Correct? 4 by 3 pi in bracket r1 cube, r2 cube, r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r3. Correct? Okay. R cube. Division 3 it will become multiplication 3. Multiplication 4, division 4. Multiplication pi, division pi. Pi pi cancel. 4 4 cancel. 3 3 cancel. Therefore, r cube is equal to r1 cube. What is r1? 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. R cube is equal to 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. 8 8 are 64. 64 8 are 512. Okay, 10 10 are 100. 100 10 are 1000. Therefore, R cube is equal to 1728. Yes or no? 1728. R is equal to cube root of 1728. After taking cube value, what is the answer? 12 centimeter. How to take cube value? Look here. For that we need to take what? The factors of 1728. Factors. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 2 4s are, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 16s are, 2 108s are, 2 54s are, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 group, 3 group, 3 group. Okay, single 2, single 2. Okay, single 3. That means 12 is the answer. Question number 3. A 20 meter deep well. 20 meter deep well. What is the shape of a well? Cylinder. Okay. Deep means depth. Depth is nothing but what? Height of the cylinder. Height of the well. What is the height of the well here? 20 meter. Okay. With diameter 7 meter. What is the diameter of the well? D is equal to 7 meter. Then the radius is 7 divided by 2 meter. Correct? Next one, that is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. What is the shape of platform? Cuboid. Yes or no? Shape of platform is cuboid. With the length and the breadth, they have given the length of the platform and the breadth of the platform. What are those? 22 meter is the length. L is equal to 22 meter and the breadth is equal to 14 meter. Yes or no? We need to find out height of the platform. H is equal to question mark. Height of platform. H is equal to question mark. Consider this one as H1, this one as H2. Correct? Okay. Recasted. That means what? Volume remains same. Recasted means volume remains same. Volume of what? Cylindrical well. Okay. Volume of earth material, that is soil. Yes or no? Okay. Volume of soil from well is equal to volume of platform. That is nothing but what? Volume of cylindrical well. That is volume of cylinder is equal to volume of what? Cuboid. What is the formula for cylinder? Pi r square h, L into B into h, h2 h1. I want what? h2. Into it will become divide, into it will become divide. Therefore h2 is equal to pi r square h1 divided by L into B. Look here, h2 is equal to pi r square h1 divided by L into B. Put the values. What are the values here? h2 is equal to pi value 22 divided by 7 into what is r value? 7 by 2? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2 times? Yes or no? Pi r square. What is h1? 20 into 20 divided by what is the length here? Length 22. What is the breadth? 14. Okay, 7 ones are 7 ones are 2 tens are 2 sevens are 7 ones are 7 ones are 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 ones are 11 twos are. Okay, h2 is equal to 5 divided by 2, that is 2.50 meter is the height of the platform. Understood? Right down. Fifth question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having a diameter 12 centimeter. Okay, there is a right circular cylinder with a diameter 12 centimeter and the height is 15 centimeter, is completely filled with what? Ice cream. Ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into a cone of height. It is to be filled into a cone of height 12 centimeter and also the diameter is 6 centimeter. The diameter of the cone is 6 centimeter having a hemispherical shape on the top. There is a top with the hemispherical shape. The diameter of the hemisphere is also equal to the diameter of the cone. That means radius is 3 centimeter. Radius 3 centimeter, radius 6 centimeter. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Look here, this is the biggest ice cream container. From this container we need to create the cone like ice creams. How many ice creams are to be formed with the help of this container? This is the question here. That means number of ice cream is equal to total volume of the container divided by volume of one ice cream. Understood? What is number of ice creams? Number of ice cream is equal to total volume of container whole divided by volume of single cone ice cream. Single cone ice cream. Understood? Okay. Then what is the shape of container? Cylinder. That means this is equal to total volume of container is nothing but what? Volume of cylinder divided by volume of one single ice cream is nothing but what? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Let us consider this one as h1, this one as h2. d1, d2, that is r1 is equal to 6 centimeter and also r2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, pi r1 square h1 whole divided by what is the formula for cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. r2 h2. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. That means what? r2 cube. r2 cube. Here pi is common. Pi r1 square h1 whole divided by pi r2 square in bracket 1 by 3 h2 plus 2 by 3 2 by 3 R2 correct. Pi ಹೊರಗದ R square ಹೊರಗದ R2 square, that means what? 1 by 3 H2 plus 2 by 3 R2. Pi cancel. Okay, ನೀವು ಇದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಜು ಬರಿತೀನಿ. This is equal to, what is R1 value? 6 centimeter. Okay, R1 square 6 into 6. H1, what is H1 value? 15 divided by, then what is R2 value? R2 is 3 square means 3 into 3 in bracket 1 by 3. What is H2? 12 plus 2 by 3. What is R2? 3 into 3 cancel. 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is equal to 15 twos are 32s are 60 divided by 4 plus 2 6. This is equal to 10. Okay, therefore the number of ice creams that can be formed is equal to 10. Yes, ice cream ready ಮಾಡಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ನಾವು? 10. Right. Question number 6, very important question. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and the thickness 2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of the dimensions 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter? Okay, what is the shape of a coin? Cylinder. Understood? The thickness is the height. Therefore the thickness is equal to height is equal to 2 millimeter and the diameter is 1.5 centimeter. We must melt to form what? Cuboid. What is the dimensions of cuboid? Length is equal to 5.5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, height is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Look here, this is also height, this is also height. We need to take this one as H1, this is H2. The diameter is 1.75. What is the radius? 1.75 divided by 2. This is centimeter. This is also centimeter. This is millimeter. We need to convert into centimeter. Divided by 10. Understood? Okay. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So to convert millimeter into centimeter divided by this is equal to H1 is equal to 2 by 10 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Then here number of coins to be melted. Number of coins to be melted is equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of one coin. Yes or no? Volume of cuboid divided by volume of one coin. Volume of cuboid divided by volume of one coin, that is volume of cylinder. Understood? That is volume of cylinder. Or one coin or volume of cylinder. This is equal to, what is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. H means H2 divided by volume of cylinder pi R square H1. This is equal to, what is length here? 5.5. What is the breadth here? 10. What is the height here? 3.5 divided by, what is pi value? 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7. And what is the radius? 1.75 divided by 2 into 1.75 divided by 2 into, what is the height here?
2 by 10.
What is the height? 2 by 10? 2 by 10. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Correct? Then 2 11s are 2 5s are. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. Correct? 2 remains 25. 5 5s are 25. 35 is there now? Okay, 35 5. How many bit points? 2 bit points. Okay, one udri number 0. Okay. Next, 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Correct? 7 5s are 35. How many bit points? 1 2 bit points. One number is there, one udri number, then point. Okay. Okay. Then this is equal to, what are the numbers here? 5.5 into 10, 55. 55 into 3.5 divided by 11 into 1.75 divided by 2 into 0.05. 11 ones are 11, 5s are 55. Correct? Okay. This is equal to 5 into 3.5 is there na? 3.5 can be written as 35 divided by 10. Yes or no? 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. Whole divided by, what are the numbers here? 1.75. 175 divided by 100. 175 divided by 100. Divided by 2 is there na? Into 2. Into 0.05 can be written as 5 divided by 100. Yes or no? 5 by 100. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Look here, 3.5. 0.5 means point above single number divided by 10. Point above double number divided by 100. Okay. Point means point above ಎಷ್ಟು double number, double means 100. Okay. 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. Correct? Then 5 4s are 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are okay 25. Next 5 7s are 5 20s are correct. 5 1s are 5 2s are correct. Okay. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನೇನು ಉಳಿತಪ್ಪ 35 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಹೌದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನು ಬಂತು 7 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 8 8 2s are 16 160 correct. Division ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 35 divided by 2 multiplication ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡು 160 divided by 7 2 ones are 2 80s are 7 ones are 7 5s are okay 8 5s are 400. The number is 400. Answer is 400. ಇನ್ನು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಲೆಂಗ್ದಿ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡು ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಇದು 5.5 into 10 into 3.5 divided by 22 divided by 7 into 1.75 divided by 2 into 1.75 divided by 2 into 2 divided by 10. This is it. Okay. Okay. This is equal to, look here, 5.5 can be written as 55 divided by 10 into 10 into 3.5 can be written as 35 divided by 10 whole divided by 22 divided by 7 into 1.75 is there and 175 bale 175 divided by 100 into 2 is there into 2 into 175 divided by 100 into 2 into 2 by 10. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Okay. Then 10 ones are cancel 10 10 cancel. Next 5 2s are 5 7s are correct. Then 2 ones are 2 5s are next 2 ones are 2 11s are correct. Next 5 ones are 5 35s are okay cancel. Next 7 ones are 7 5s are 5 ones are 5 20s are correct. Then 5 4s are 5 35s are correct. Then ಬುಡ್ ಸಾಕು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಬಂತ ಹೇಳು 55 into 7 divided by 2 ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 55 into 7 divided by 2 whole divided by 11 into 35 into ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ 100 ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ 4 into 2 into 4 2s 8 2s 8 into 100 800 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಬೇಗ 5 into 7 divided by 2 into ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 800 divided by 11 into 35. 7 ones are 7 5s are. Okay, 11 ones are 11 5s are. 5 ones are 5 ones are. 2 ones are 2 400s are. Okay, what is the value? 400. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊ. ತಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡಿ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, ಇದು 6 ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 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 ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm height and the radius of base is 18 cm. Height of the bucket is 32 cm and the radius is 18 cm is filled with what? Sand and emptied on the ground. Then the conical heap formation takes place. The height of the conical heap is 24 cm. What we need to find out? Radius of the base. Consider this one as R1, H1, R2 and H2. We also find out the slant height. L is equal to question mark. Okay, R2, H2. Then what is here? What is the known thing here? We know that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐತಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುರ್ಯಾಕತ್ತೆ, ಸುರ್ರ ಅಂತ ಏಕೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಪ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಹೆಚ್ is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. What is h? R2 H2 here, R1 H1. What we need to find out? R2 is there na? Okay, division it will become multiplication. Multiplication, division. Multiplication, division. That means R2 square is equal to pi r square R1 square H1 into 3 divided by pi into H2. Correct? Pi cancel. Therefore R2 square is equal to, what is R1 value? 18. Square is there na? 18 into 18 into what is H1? 32 into what is the value of 3? 3 only. Okay, what is the H2 value? 24. 3 ones are correct. 3 ones are 3 8s are 8 ones are 8 4s are correct. Correct. Then what is R2 square is equal to 18 into 18? 18 square. 18 into 18? 18 square. 4 can be written as what? 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, R2 square is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. That is a into b whole to the power of m. That means 18 into 2 whole to the power of 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to a into b whole to the power of m. Then R2 square is equal to 18 2s are 36 whole square, square square cancel. Therefore R2 is equal to 36. R2 is equal to 36 centimeter. This is the radius of what? Conical heap. What we need to find out? Slant height L is equal to under root of h square plus R2 square. H2 square plus R2 square. What is H2 here? Is equal to under root of H2 square plus R2 square. L is equal to under root of what is H2 value? 24 into 24 plus, okay, 36 into 36. Correct? Okay. 24 into 24, L is equal to under root of 576. 36 into 36, 1296. Okay, L is equal to under root of 1872 I think. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೀಗ 1872 2 9s are 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 8s are then 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are next 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 13 1s are make the shadis. Okay, make the shadis. 2 to 1 shadi, 1 single. Okay 2 to 1 shadi. Okay, one number that is what is 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. L is equal to 12. Okay, one single is there, single per single, correct? Okay, centimeter. 12 root 13 centimeter is the slant height. Check the answer. 8th question. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, there is a canal. Consider this one as a canal. In the canal, the speed of water is how much? This is the water. The speed of the water is 10 kilometer per hour. That means length of water per hour is 10 kilometer. Length of water per hour is 10 kilometer. And the height is nothing but what? Depth of the canal. Height is nothing but what? Depth of the canal. H is equal to how much? 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. And the next one is width of the canal. What is the width of the canal? Okay, wide, 6 meter wide. Height we know and the breadth we know. Breadth B is equal to 6 meter. B is equal to 6 meter and the height H is equal to 1.5 meter. We don't know the length of the canal. That means length of water flowing from the canal. Okay, this is in the shape of what? Cuboid. Understood? Next, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? In 30 minutes. Okay, in 1 hour, the length of water from the canal is equal to how much? 10 kilometer. Yes or no? In 1 hour 10 kilometer. In 30 minutes, that means half of 1 hour. Yes or no? In 30 minutes the length of water from the canal. What is the length of the water from the canal? 10 divided by 2, that is 5 kilometer. That is 5000 meter is the length of water from the canal. Length of water. Understood? Next, since we are irrigating it in a field, if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed, okay, the water is used to irrigate a field. Consider this one as a field. What is this? This is a field. Yes or no? The field is having what? Length, breadth and the height. Correct? What is the height of standing water? Since we are using the water to irrigate our land. What is the standing water here? 8 centimeter is the standing water. Complete field. Correct? We have to find out the area of irrigated land. We need to find out what? Area of irrigated land. Yes or no? What is the area formula? Length into breadth. We need to find out the length and breadth of the irrigated land or the field. Correct? The standing water is 8 centimeter height. We are using water from the canal. Yes or no? Volume of water from the canal is equal to volume of the water in the field. Yes or no? volume of water from the canal is equal to volume of water in the field or the land. Yes or no? Correct. Next, volume of water is nothing but what? Canal. What is the shape of the canal? Cuboid. What is the shape of the field? It is also cuboid. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height is equal to length into breadth into height. Consider this one as H1, B1 and L1, H2, B2 and L2. Okay, L1, B1, H1, L2, B2, H2. What we need to find out? L2 and B2 is equal to question mark. Correct? Into H2 it will become what? Divided by H2. Therefore, length into breadth of the field is equal to L1 into B1 into H1 divided by H2. What is L1 value? What is L1? 5,000 meter. What is the breadth here? 6 meter. What is the height here? 1.5 meter. Divided, what is the H2 value? 8 centimeter. Standing water is 8 centimeter. We need to convert into meter. That is divided by 100. Correct? Okay. 8 divided by 100 meter. Okay. 8 by 100 meter. Then this is equal to 5,000 into 6 15s are 90. 90 means 9.0. Division, it will become what? Multiplication. 100 divided by 8. Correct? Okay. Then 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. 2 remaining 20. 8 2s are 16. 4 remaining 48. 5s are 40. Correct? This is equal to 9 5s are 45. Carry 4. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. Carry 2. Okay. 9 6 are 54. 56. 56. Okay. Double 0 means double 0. What is this? Centimeter? Centimeter or meter? Meter cube. Meter cube or not cube. Length into breadth, that is area is there. Yes or no? Area means meter square. Meter square. To convert meter square into hectare, we need to divide by 10,000. We need to divide by 10,000. From meter square to hectare, L2 into B2 is equal to 562500 divided by 10,000. 0 0 0 0 cancel. This is equal to 56.25 hectare is the answer. Okay, right now. Question number 9. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter in deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Okay, there is a canal, there is one pipe which is connected to the what? Canal. Canal water is flowing through the pipe. Yes or no? If the water flown in the canal, then the volume is volume of cuboid. Yes or no? The volume of water coming from the canal is cuboid. If the canal is in the shape of cuboid, the water which is coming from the cuboid is flooded into the pipe. What is the shape of the pipe? Cylinder. That means volume coming out of the pipe is volume of the cylinder. Yes or no? volume coming out of pipe is volume of cylinder. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಬರಾಕತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ವಾಟರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ cylinder. Understood? Volume of water coming out of the pipe is nothing but what? Volume of the cylinder. Okay. Next, this water is used to fill a tank. This water is used to fill a tank. What is the height of the tank?
2 meter.
Okay. Height of the tank is 2 meter. Then what is the radius of the tank? Diameter, radius.
10 meter.
Okay, 10 meter diameter is nothing but what? Half. That is 5 meter is the radius. Diameter D is equal to 10 meter and the radius R is equal to 5 meter. Then what is the radius of the pipe or the diameter of the pipe? 20 centimeter is the diameter of the pipe. Diameter D is equal to 20 centimeter pipe. Okay, this is the diameter of what? Tank. Then what is the radius of the pipe? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Convert it into meter. 10 divided by 100. 0.1 meter. Correct? This is the radius. Then what we need to find out? The time taken to fill the tank. The time taken to fill the tank. Time taken to fill the tank. If the speed of the water is 3 kilometer per hour, what is the speed of water? 3 kilometer per hour. Understood? That means length of water coming from the pipe per hour is 3 kilometer. I will be taking the speed of the water into the length of the water. Consider the water is freezed. After 1 hour, what is the freezed water length? 3 kilometer. Understood? That will be the shape of cylinder. Understood? The cylinder is having the radius is 0.1 meter and the length of the water coming out of the pipe is 3 kilometer per hour. Understood? 3 kilometer per hour. First of all, we need to find out volume of water coming out of pipe per hour. Then we need to find out the volume of tank. Volume of tank divided by volume of water coming out of the pipe per hour is equal to the time taken by the pipe to fill the tank. Okay, look here. Time taken by, we need to find out what? Time taken by the pipe to fill the tank. Yes or no? To fill the tank is equal to volume of the tank divided by volume of water coming from pipe per hour. Per hour. Correct? Then what is the length of the pipe or length of the water? Length of water per hour. Okay, length of water from pipe per hour is equal to how much? 3 kilometer. That is nothing but what? L is equal to what? 3000 meter. The length of the pipe is nothing but what? Height of the pipe. Yes or no? Length of the pipe is nothing but what? Height of the pipe. Therefore H is equal to 3000 meter. Consider this one as H1 R1, H2 R2. What is the formula here? Time taken by the pipe to fill the tank is equal to volume of tank divided by volume of water coming from the pipe per hour. This is equal to what is the volume of the tank formula? Pi R square H, that is R2 square H2 pi R1 square H1, correct? Volume of water coming from the pipe per hour, then volume of water of the tank. Pi cancel is equal to what is R2 value? R2 is 5 centimeter, 5 meter, 5 into 5. What is H2 value? 2 divided by what is R1 value? 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, 2 times because square is there. Then what is H1 value? 3000 meter. 0 0 0 0. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 2 ones are 2, 3 are. This is equal to 5 divided by 3 hours. Convert it into minute. This is equal to 5 divided by 3 into 60 minute. This is equal to, okay, 3 ones are 3, 20s are 25s are 100 minute is the answer. 100 minute is the answer. Right.